This video is on commission, finding commission or the amount of money earned while being paid a commission. Um, on the right hand side is an example of how these questions will likely appear in Canvas. On the left hand side is the home page for the consumer math course. We're going to open a calculator and we're going to put that calculator in mode 2. And we put that calculator in mode 2 so that it will round to the nearest cent because we're dealing with money. So it will have 2 digits after the decimal point. It will be rounded to the hundredth place or to the nearest penny, however you want to think about that. But you want it to be on 2. So we have 2 digits after the decimal. And we're going to open the notes. And we're going to open these notes in their own window so that we can see them more clearly. And because this video is on commission, we're going to move through the notes until we find commission, which in this page of this set of notes, I believe it's at the bottom of page 3. Here we go. So it defines commission and commission rate and straight commission, and then it has 3 expressions that deal with commission. We have one where we're finding the commission. That's how much money you earn if you're paid on a commission. And then finding the commission rate, that's what percentage of the sales you earn. And then finding the total sales, that's how much you worked, how much you sold to earn that much money. This video is on the first one, to find the commission. And so it's going to be a straight multiplication problem. We're going to take the commission rate. And a commission rate is always a percentage number. And we're going to multiply it by how much merchandise you sold. So you come to work, you sell merchandise, and you're paid a percentage of what you sold. That's what we're doing here. So if we go to question 1, it says Willow Rosberg earns 9% of the sales at a local clothing store. Today, Willow has $1,311 in sales. Therefore, she earned how much money? So here's the idea. She works at a clothing store. People come in and purchase clothes, and at the end of the day, they see that Willow is responsible for selling $1,311 in sales. So that is how much merchandise went out the door for which Willow was responsible for selling. And she gets 9% of that. So she gets $9 for every $100 of merchandise, basically. So according to the equation or the expression, it's an expression, we're going to take the commission rate, and that is always a percentage. And so we're going to go 9, and to get the percent key, which is here, but you'll notice it's green. Because it's green, we have to hit the second key. And then you'll notice up here it says second. And then we're going to hit this, and now you notice it literally says 9%. And then the rule says we're going to multiply that by the total sales. So we are going to go and multiply that by the total sales. And remember, Willow was responsible for selling $1,311 worth of merchandise. So we're going to put $1,311 worth of merchandise. And so for that day, Willow will earn $117.99. So $117.99. So she was responsible for selling $1,311 worth of merchandise. And because she sold that much merchandise, because that much merchandise went out the door, she's going to make $117.99. So it's in Willow's best interest to sell as much clothes as she can, and because she gets $9 for every $100 worth of clothing that she sells. Okay, so let's go down to Isabel here. Isabel Moser is paid a straight commission of 3.5%. This month, Isabel was able to sell $123,586.29 of product. So we don't know exactly what Isabel is selling. Maybe she is selling makeup, maybe she is selling healthcare programs, maybe she is selling houses. We don't know what the product is that she's selling, but we know how much she sold. She sold $123,586.29 worth of product. And she is paid 3.5%. So in other words, for every $100 worth of merchandise she sells, she gets $3.50. Okay. So if we go back to the equation, we're going to remember that is going to be her commission rate, which is 3.5%. So we're just going to go to the calculator. And we're going to type in 3.5 second and then the percent symbol. So you want to make sure it actually says 3.5%. And then the directions say to multiply total sales. So we're going to go times, and it is 123,000 $586.29. I'm sorry, my mom is calling me. She hung up finally. Okay, $123,586.29. So this is the rate that she is paid, and this is how much product, how much merchandise went out the door, how much merch. And so for that month, Isabel is going to earn $4,325.52. Okay, so that's how much money she earned for this month, because she was able to sell that much product and she earned that much percent of every product. So she earned $3.50 for every $100 out the door. Okay, if you would like to pause the video and try number 3 and then come back and see how we did. Okay. Number 3 says that Yvette Flores is a real estate agent in Johnson County. Because she works for a firm, her actual commission for selling a house is 1.15%. This month, Yvette was able to sell several houses totaling $983,955.00 in sales. This month, Yvette's pay was. So again, this says we want the commission rate. Okay, so she gets 1.15%. That is $1.15 for every $100 in sales. Now she is selling houses, right? So houses are 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, a million, 500,000, whatever. Okay, so she's going to get $1.15 for every $100 in the price of the sale. So that's going to be that, and then it's going to be times, and it's going to be her total sales this month. So you know what? This could have been one house. This could have been 2 or 3 houses. You know, we just really don't know. But if we take all of her sales all together for this month, she sold $983,955. So if that was one house, then this is what she would be paid for selling that one house. If this is 4 houses, then for selling those 4 houses, this is what she would pay. She makes $1.15 for every $100 the price of the house is. So Yvette earned $11,315.48 this month. Remember, you have to have a dollar sign, you have to have a comma between the 11,000 and the 300. You have to have a decimal between the dollars and the cents. Okay? And so that is it, my friends. Let me know if you have any questions. We're going to go ahead and hit submit, see how we did. If you have any questions, make sure to email me or ask in class. Oh, look at that, 100%. We are still rock stars. You guys got this. I know you can do it. Let me know if you need any help. Thank you.